Welcome to the charity match played between Theatris 11 and Musicians 11. This match is being played to raise funds for the cancer patient and GFA referee and footballer from Merul FC, Kalidas Desai. Lineup for Theatris 11, Sabita Divar, comedian Neto, Kejide Kakora, comedian Preet, Ramson Cardozo, Frankie Olivero, Savio Gudino, Anthony Cardozo, Cosmo, Sienna Olivero and Agnello Lobo, who is the captain and the goalkeeper. Lineup from musicians and MCs 11, Mark Revlon, Andrew Gomes, Savio Roy, Mario Rodriguez, Johnny Araujo, Sebi Fernandez, Frankie Fernandez, Patrick Silvera, Maxwell D'Souza, Clifford Fernandez, Ramiro Sales, who is the captain. The match is kicked off and it is the Theatris 11 team that kick off the match for a hand throw. Throws taken and great cross has been cleared by the defender. Team musicians with a long ball which has been cleared. Mark Revlon on the ball, puts in a good tackle, but it has been cleared. Straight into the hands of the keeper who was pressurized. Ball with musicians 11. Great ball played in. Will he finish the chance? No, that's a great clearance. Brilliant shot attempt blocked by musicians 11. Ball with Ramson Cardozo. Goes past the man. Puts in a great cross and he has scuffed the shot. Brilliant play and the ball has gone out for a goal kick. Ball with the musicians 11. Plays it in. Puts in a delicious through ball and it has been intercepted. Great ball in for Mark Revlon. Puts in a cross and it is been saved by the keeper. Keeper clears the ball. Ball on the flanks. Goes past the man. Puts in a low cross and that's very close but it has missed the target. Musician 11 with the ball. Theatris 11 intercept the ball. Mark Revlon with a shot but it's off target. Theatris 11 with the ball. Plays a long ball but the run has not been made by the player. And throw taken quickly. Opportunity for Theatris 11. And the shot has been scuffed. Musician 11 on the counter. Going through on goal. Plays in a good ball. Cuts back in. Shoots. And it's into the hands of the keeper. Great ball. Ramson dancing with his feet and it's a great ball. Straight into the hands of the keeper. Musicians 11 with the ball and it has been given away. Theatris 11 on the counter. Another great ball. Distribution by the keeper. Straight to the other team. Other team is on the attack. And Mark with the ball. Shoots and just over the bar. Goal kick taken. Ball on the left flank. Cuts in. And plays a through ball. Will he shoot? And he scuffs his shot. Theatris 11 with the ball. Building the play patiently. Cuts past the man. Puts in a great ball but intercepted by the defender. Theatris 11 play a good ball inside the box. Still on the ball. And the cross has been over the bar. Theatris 11 still on the ball. A good ball has been played. Intercepted. Straight back to the Theatri's 11. Shoots and that's a goal by Frankie Olivero.
Ole, ola, viva, forza goa. Ole, ola, viva.
A great golazo by him as he scores from 20 yards out. The rasping shot straight into the top corner. Play a good through ball. He intercepts. Passes it on the flank. A great cross has been played in. Will he finish? And he just misses the shot. Great interception by Musicians 11. A great cutback and just off target. It's a corner and that's a goal. Mark Revolon scores the equalizer from 6 yards out.
Let's rise as one Goa. Let's rise and show our love for Goa. Come on and let's play Goa. Together let's unite.
What a brilliant finish that was. It's 1-1 tied at first half. Great save by the keeper and I think that is a penalty but it's not been given. So the play continues. Ball with Theatri's 11. Through ball.
Shoot.
Ramson with a great ball across the face of goal but nobody is there to tap it home. Theatri's 11 on the ball. Cuts past and tries a shot just off target. Free kick by Theatri's 11 and the shot is off target. Musicians 11 with another cross in. Ball has been brought back. Good shot but couldn't test the keeper. Musicians 11 begin the second half. Theatri's 11 on the ball. A great cross. And once again there's nobody to tap it home. Theatri's 11 unflurrying flurry of attacks on Musicians 11. That was a great long ball by Anthony. Ramson Cardozo on the ball, cuts past one man, 2, 3, and that's a goal. What a great golazo by Ramson Cardozo. Stunned the Musicians 11.
Let's move it forward, we together, Fati Soronaka. Do it for Maka, Tukateka, Soglego, Karang. Vamos Goa.
He scored the winner, which was in the dying minutes of the match. It's 2-1 to Theatri's 11. Will Musicians FC come back? Theatri's 11 take another shot and that's off target. This match was organized by Mitra 11 in association with Lions Club of Kandone. And it's full time. The final whistle blows in favor of Theatri's 11.